Welcome back to Degenerate EDC. EDC done degenerately. Today, we're going to unravel this WORKPRO folding utility knife set, take a look at the goods, and then we're going to test one of these bad boys out to see if they actually can make the cut. Special guest appearance, CRKT M40. So here we go. Easy opening. So let's see here. Open up the package. Anything else in here? And what do we have here? Ooh la la, 10 extra blades. You can't beat that with a bat. Let's go. Okay, now the first thing I notice is, look how small these things are. Nice and compact. Ooh, they feels like that die-cast steel. I'm not saying it is, but it feels very sturdy. Cranks open like a robot prostitute. Does that make me the pimp? Or am I a client? These feel really, really good in the hand. I must admit, the texture does feel solid. They say it comes with a quick blade, quick change. Oh, there it is. That's it. That's the quick change that they're talking about. Holy crap, it is for real. Holy mother of blades. Holy mother of blades. That's who you are. You are the new blade in my life. And there is the backlock mechanism, which smooth opening and close, easy, very, very easy. And I've got 3 of these, blue and also green. And yeah, you know, these are great gifts. You've got 3 gifts, easy gifts. And the texture on these feels like a quality gift to give. So if it were my choice, I'd say I've got 3 uncles who I don't even like, but I've got 3 easy gifts, which I can get all for under 20 bucks. Last year, I spent half a day buying gifts for these 3 pricks. Solid closing, solid opening. I wonder how good do they cut? That's the real question. Let's test these out and see how they work. Now here's a Amazon box, as you can see. What did I get delivered in this? I don't remember. But we're gonna use just one of the sleeves, if that's okay. And I think I was just given the okay by the tennis guard at the door. So here we go. We're gonna just slice off a quick piece. First cut. And yeah, here we go. Okay. And yeah, all right. Little to no effort. That was easy. That was simple. Okay, let's try this red one out and see how well we can cut with the red one. I'm sure they're all the same blades, right? But there's a reason why I'm using the red one. I like red, that's all. So let's see how this thing cuts. Fresh out the box. Boom. And look at that. I did that cut with the original plastic wrapping over the blade, so it still gave me a practically perfect cut while it was still packaged. Look at that. Be careful. Be careful when handling these knives because they can be very, very sticky. Hope you got Band-Aids. I know that I definitely do. If you are looking for a good set of Band-Aids, I've got a set here. You can check them out. And yeah, I'm impressed on how this blade still made a perfect cut, even though I forgot to take off the plastic wrapping on the blade. All right, let's see how this thing does. Nice. Easy. Absolutely degenerate. Just the way I like it. These blades are legit. These blades are legit, or is it the handle? Now let's try Let's try to a precision cut. I love circles. Who doesn't love a good circle? Right? Everything's circles, like everything. Your eyes, your head, everything between your legs. Okay, here we go. Nice. Precision cuts are easy. Look at that. Look at that. Okay? You can practically frame that. All right, next up, we're gonna try a little bit tougher. We wanna see exactly how tough this blade really is. So we're gonna pop out the coffee can. And mind you, I go through one of these canisters once a week. Once a week, okay? I'm at 4 cups a day. And here we go. And be extra careful when performing these types of cuts. Not saying that this knife is designed to cut this. I am merely testing out the strength of these blades as well as how it feels to grip and push towards such a hard surface. For now, I must admit, it's comfortable. No complaints. Slowly getting through. And we're almost there. I'm not too tired. My fingers don't hurt. And here we are. Mission complete. I'd say these blades, these blades are good. They're legit. They've passed my Degenerate test. And Bustelo is not happy with me. But there it is, man. These are good. These are great box cutters. Even though this isn't the box, but perspective. It did this on a canister. And now we have to change that blade because that blade took a beating, an absolute degenerate beating. So my advice would be to hit that quick release button and do a quick blade exchange. Bada boom. And bada bing. Here we go. There it is. And there we are. And how do you like that? I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can get your hands on the same exact WORKPRO utility knife set. You get all 3 for under 20. And man, so happy I got these. If you're into this, please smash the like button and subscribe. Join the DEGEN tribe. Thanks for tuning in to this degeneracy.